Right now, while you watch this, there's someone probably out there talking about your brand. They're not on your website. They're not even on your LinkedIn. They're not browsing your LinkedIn. They're not on your Twitter account. They don't even follow you on social media, but they're talking about your brand. They're talking about your brand in maybe an internal email, maybe in an internal Slack channel, maybe inside of a group that exists on Slack that no one else in your company is even a part of, but they're having a dialogue about you. This happens every single day, but it's very close to impossible to even track that these types of interactions happen. But for a lot of marketers, they think to themselves, this is why we need to stop doing content marketing. But in reality, this is why you should do content marketing, right? Like if you want to influence dark social, if you want to influence the things that are happening about your brand, this is truly just at the heart of good branding. Right? Where you're thinking about how can we tell stories that are worth talking about at a coffee shop? How can we create content that is worth talking about inside of an internal industry Slack channel or inside of a Discord? Those are things that might be very difficult to actually track. But if you can create content that is that good, that is that valuable, then guess what? Your dark social strategy is going to take off, because what you're going to uncover is more opportunities to connect with people, more opportunities to generate leads. And when you do have that dialogue, when you do have a discussion with them around how did you hear about us, you might be pleasantly surprised that they heard about you through something that is completely unmeasurable, like maybe listening to a podcast or watching a video from years ago on YouTube, or exactly what I described earlier, they were inside of a Slack channel and someone tagged you, mentioning you as being the service, the solution, the software that they need to invest in.